Hello dear Leos, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of August 22nd, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Oops, this wanted to come out. Those who are new to my channel, please note that this is a specifically full moon reading with this deck, which will contain special messages from your guardian angels. This will tell me how exactly you're feeling around this time, and the positive affirmations contained in these cards will help you deal with it appropriately. Okay, so I'm supposed to pick two cards. One has already come out. Now I'll randomly pick another card from this deck. I'm just thinking which one to pick for you guys. I guess I'm going to pick this one, Angel of Boundaries. Okay, so you have got Angel of Creativity and Angel of Boundaries. So we'll begin with the Angel of Creativity. It is asking you, are you involved in a creative project or thinking about starting one? We know you're very creative, Leos, and you're always thinking of starting something new or the other. So I believe it can be relating to your relationships. If you are, that kind of a person who likes to have a lot of relationships, and there's definitely something new apart from the many relationships that you have. You're planning to start something new. If not that, then there's something specific that you're planning to start, a very specific one relationship. If not that, then yes, this is another creative pursuits, one of the businesses that you're planning to do, adding another feather to the cap. So something of that sort, all those vibes that I'm getting from the angels, it's not me. It says you're fertile with good ideas and the ability to conceive something magnificent. Have the courage to take action to make your dreams come true. Allow yourself the time to create. So yes, you have to give it time, whatever it is that you're planning to begin. And to enhance your creativity, you can use this positive affirmation and say this at least 3 times a day until the full moon. It says, I am fertile in body, mind and spirit. Creativity flows through me in many ways. I am brave and bring my ideas into actuality. My imagination is the key to my success. I envision my future and joyfully participate as it unfolds. That is for the message for you from the Angel of Creativity. Now we get to the Angel of Boundaries. Are you allowing someone or something to drain your energy? Establish boundaries. Surround yourself in a protective shield to deflect negative energy. Tap into the ancient wisdom within you to transform your life. So definitely there are people around you who are draining your energy. You need to draw boundaries. If you don't want to entertain somebody, please don't feel like a compulsion to say yes to them. If they're asking you a question and you don't want to answer, you don't want to indulge in any sort of conversation with them, you can always say no, even if that means that they will feel bad or whatever, but then you have to be polite about it. Remember that. If you're finding it difficult to draw boundaries, then the positive affirmation for you is, I have the courage to set boundaries with love and grace. I am protected from negative energy. I am connected with powerful ancient wisdom that keeps me safe and provides me with the know-how to make positive changes. These are the positive affirmations for you that you need to speak in order to enhance your creativity, in order to draw some boundaries. So see what resonates best with you. Maybe one of the messages will be for you and the other not, or maybe both the messages are for you right now. One might apply to your professional life and one might apply to your personal life. See how you want to take it. See this and speak these affirmations, please, at least 3 times a day to gain the maximum benefit out of it. Okay, I hope you guys like this reading. You guys take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.